This is my first time sprouting, and I was a little bit skeptical because my best friend had bought like a sprouting tray off Amazon, and he said that they hardly produced, it didn't work, and they're just not even using it. I'm making this video just because I'm super surprised by the results. If you want to use the products featured in this video, please use my Amazon link because it supports the channel. And if they approve my ambassadorship, I might be an ambassador for the sprouting company. But I got an advertisement, I don't know if they won Shark Tank or they were at least on the show, and I saw their product and everybody's showing like these jars full of sprouts. So I'm like, that really appeals to me because for the past year I've been spending $5 to $6 on like a little package of sprouts, and that cost was really starting to add up, and honestly going back to like normal salad was not nearly as good, and the sprouts were just so light and tasty and mixed with my food so well. So I went with this more expensive option. I guess you get what you pay for. Please hit the like and subscribe, and let's check out my results. On the right here, this is day 7 of the broccoli sprouts. And these are the most expensive seeds they got. They're all organic and are incredibly good for you. And on the left here, we got day 3, and these are the organic salad mix. I feel like the salad mix maybe grew a little bit faster than the broccoli did. It's pretty full, as you can see, and I'm gonna harvest it today, so that's why I wanna take some video. You can buy all the seeds from the sprouting company's site. You gotta rinse this twice a day. So you fill it up and you let it soak for 8 hours overnight with just the seeds in it, 1 scooper of the seeds. It's a 1/4 cup. And then you drain it, and then for the next 5 to 7 days, you're going to rinse the salad mix with cold water. And that's just to keep these things fresh because you want to avoid any sort of funky mold. You want to clean them in between uses. And then there's going to be some excess water. They just will drain on this angle right here into this cup, and you just pour out the cup in between, rinse that out. Another thing you're gonna need is a salad spinner. I found a company called OXO, which makes a really high quality looking one. So I've rinsed my broccoli sprouts. Toss them in here. Yeah, that's like a thick bunch right here. So this is a ton of sprouts. This is, compared to the store ones that I got, I would say this is about 4 packs, maybe 5 packs of those sprouts. So already, I mean, this is $25 to $30 worth of sprouts. My first go. I'm not like a green thumb or anything either. This is to get all the excess water off there. I know these were moisturous. I want to keep them nice and fresh, so I bought this. I've got the salad mix rotated out by a couple days so that I can just have a constant flow of sprouts. I figured you want to know how it tastes, so I'm gonna try it out, make sure it's not poison. A little bit of my favorite olive oil right here. Just a teeny dash of salt, a little tinge of pepper, and I'm just gonna eat it like sushi. There's a great crunch, so fresh. This is the first thing I ever grew that I've eaten myself. I'm stoked about this. All right, time to transfer it over. I would do this over the sink typically, but I want to show y'all on video here. This is a huge harvest right here. And like I said, this keeps it so it's gonna be nice and fresh for me. And that's gonna slide nicely right there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.